Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, knowing how to securely move your assets is crucial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Coinbase to your Trezor wallet. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, keeping your funds protected from potential risks. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up with USDT in it and that your Trezor hardware wallet is properly configured and connected to your computer. Trezor is one of the best options for hardware wallets because it offers top-notch security features like offline storage. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email, password, and two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets page and select USDT from your portfolio. Step 2. On the USDT page, click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Don't worry, we'll get that next. Now, for Step 3. Unlock your Trezor device and open the Trezor Suite software on your computer. Go to the Wallet section, select your USDT account, and copy the receiving address. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. Always verify. Step 4. Back on Coinbase, paste the Trezor wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the network fees. Coinbase typically uses the Ethereum network for USDT, so keep an eye on gas fees. Hit Confirm and approve the transaction via email or 2FA. After that, Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trezor wallet in the Suite app to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you go. You've successfully withdrawn your USDT. A quick word of advice. Always use hardware wallets like Trezor for long-term storage to protect against hacks. Also, never share your seed phrase or private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the process. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.